Hey everyone! If you've ever watched Oprah or browsed the finance section of a bookstore, you've heard of Suze Orman, one of the most influential voices in personal finance. Today we're breaking down her top 10 money tips, timeless advice that could completely change how you manage your finances. Let's dive in. 1. People first, then money, then things. This is Suze Orman's golden rule, and it forms the foundation of her entire financial philosophy. She emphasizes that how you treat others and yourself should always come before the pursuit of money or material possessions. In other words, never sacrifice your values, integrity, or relationships just to get ahead financially. When your priorities are rooted in respect, self-worth, and compassion, your financial choices naturally become more thoughtful, balanced, and aligned with long-term well-being. 2. Cut up your credit cards. Suze Orman is famously anti-credit card. Unless you're disciplined enough to pay off the full balance every single month. She warns that carrying credit card debt puts your financial future in the hands of creditors, not yourself. As she puts it, if you carry debt, you don't own your future, your creditors do. Relying on credit to fund your lifestyle can trap you in a cycle of minimum payments and growing interest. Instead, live within your means and spend consciously. 3. Emergency fund first. Before you think about investing or paying off large debts, Suze Orman insists on building a fully stocked emergency fund, enough to cover 8 to 12 months of living expenses. That's more than the commonly recommended 3 to 6 months, but there's a reason. According to Suze, life's unexpected challenges, like job loss, illness, or major emergencies, can last longer than we'd like to believe. A larger emergency fund gives you the security and breathing room to make smart, stress-free financial decisions. 4. Know the true cost of a purchase. Suze Orman challenges you to think beyond price tags by asking, how many hours of your life will that item cost you, instead of simply asking, can I afford it? She urges you to ask, is it worth it? By calculating the time and effort it takes to earn the money you're about to spend, you gain a deeper perspective on value. This mindset encourages more intentional spending and helps you align purchases with what truly matters. 5. Don't rush to buy a home. Suze Orman cautions against the idea that home ownership is always the right financial move. If your job isn't secure, you don't have at least a 20% down payment, or your emergency fund isn't firmly in place, hold off. Buying a home before you're financially prepared can lead to long-term stress and instability. Renting, she says, isn't throwing money away. It's a smart decision if it allows you time to build a stronger foundation and make a more confident investment later. 6. FICO score matters. According to Suze Orman, your FICO score isn't just a number, it's your financial reputation. It plays a crucial role in determining everything from your mortgage interest rate to your car insurance premiums. A strong credit score can save you thousands over time. To maintain a healthy score, always pay your bills on time. Keep your credit utilization low and avoid closing old accounts unless absolutely necessary. Responsible credit behavior builds trust with lenders and opens doors to better financial opportunities. 7. Say no to co-signing loans. Even when it involves close family or friends, Suze Orman's advice is firm. Never co-sign a loan. Why? Because co-signing makes you legally and financially responsible if the other person fails to pay. As Suze says, it's not about love, it's about protecting your own financial future. Co-signing can damage your credit, strain relationships, and leave you burdened with someone else's debt. Her hard rule is clear: no exceptions. If you want to help, consider giving support you can afford to lose. 8. Start retirement savings. Now, according to Suze Orman, the best time to start saving for retirement was yesterday. The next best time is today. Whether it's a 401k, Roth IRA, or traditional IRA, even contributing as little as $50 a month can make a big difference over time. Thanks to compound interest, starting early is your greatest advantage. And here's Suze's controversial but wise take. Prioritize your retirement over your child's college fund. Why? Because there are loans for education, but none for retirement. Your future self will thank you. 9. Live below your means. For Suze Orman, living below your means isn't just a budgeting tactic. It's a mindset shift. She emphasizes simplicity and intentional living with her signature advice. Live below your means, but within your needs. The goal isn't to impress others with flashy spending, but to build lasting financial stability and wealth. By resisting the pressure to overspend and focusing on what truly matters, you create a life of freedom, not one weighed down by debt or financial stress. 10. Invest in low-cost index funds. Suze Orman believes that the biggest financial mistake you can make is lying to yourself. Whether it's ignoring debt, overspending, or avoiding tough financial conversations. True financial growth starts with honesty. Once you face your reality, you can take meaningful steps forward. For long-term wealth, Suze strongly recommends low-cost index funds, such as S&P 500 ETFs. These investments are diversified, have low fees, and consistently outperform most actively managed funds over time. Simple, steady, and smart. That's Suze's investment philosophy. And there you have it. 10 powerful money rules from Suze Orman that can truly reshape your financial life. Which one resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a weekly dose of smart money advice. Thanks for watching, and always remember Suze's golden rule. People first, then money, then things.